I'm going to be showing you how to easily see your liked videos on Instagram. It's a simple but super helpful feature that Instagram has, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First, you'll need to open up the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In the top right corner of your profile page, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them. A menu will appear from the side. Select the option that says Your Activity. On the Your Activity page, you'll see a list of different categories. Tap on the one that says Likes. Now, you'll see a list of all the likes. On the top, check the section All Content Type. Select Reels. You will see all the videos liked on Instagram. You can scroll through the list to find the video you're looking for. Also, you can use other filters like dates. And that's it. Now you know how to easily see your liked videos on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.